So it's 2024 and you're tired of the matrix. You're tired of this 9 to 5, the school, and living the slave mind. It's so sad. But like I said, it's 2024 and now you've realized that the way to do it, the way to live is to make money online so you can be flexible, lucrative, and you could travel around the world and become the best version you can be. And guess what? That's like me. So here we are. We're looking on how to make money online and we came across drop shipping. And yes, it's been around for a while, but now we finally start to get into it. And as a beginner, we're not sure really how to start or where to go. Or maybe you've started already and you can't see success. You can't get your sales. And that's why I'm here. So how to start making money online by myself. So disclaimer, I want to say that this is not any financial advice. You can do whatever the fuck you want. You have free will and you can literally do anything in life. But you still have to follow the 10 commandments. Anyways, so these are the lessons that I've learned, not from me. They're not my words. They're not my ideas, but they're from my mentors that I've spent a lot of money on. And like I said, I don't like to hide. I don't like to gatekeep and give you watered down advice and value like all these other YouTubers know, because they try to make money off of you, and that's not my goal. My goal is not to make money off my YouTube. My goal is to make money on my business. So everything that I learned from myself or anything I learned from my mentors, I give straight on YouTube for free. So I really hope you take the value, you watch the whole video, and you make sure that what I say is not bullshit. Anyways, so let's proceed on. I do want to mention, like I've mentioned before, it is different times in ecom. Whoever tells you that dropshipping or ecom is dead, that means they have dead brain cells. They don't know what the fuck they're talking about, because that means no one is buying stuff online. Dropshipping is just a fulfillment method. So it's not going to die. And anyways, I don't have to go. You can see clearly 2017, it took less effort. That's why everyone's saying that. It took less effort because the internet was new and buying stuff online was new. But now 2024, it's been done before. People are more aware. So you just have to be more. So you just have to put more effort and you just got to make yourself look more branded. And that is the whole point of this video. And I'm going to tell you how to exactly do that. So, the first step of starting an online business is you have to find a product. And if you search up how to find winning products on the internet and find on YouTube, you're going to find almost 90% of those scammers, I'm not going to say scammers, those gurus that say, go on social media, go through hashtag TikTok made me find it, scroll on Facebook. It's all BS, okay? Let's put that out the way. That step is never do that. What you have to do is actually use your brain. As you clearly it says, use your brain. So the brain that you have in your head is actually the most valuable tool that you will use on business. So my point that is that you have to look for daily issues. Yes, your product does have to solve an issue. Yes, you can go for some nice decoration or some fidget gadget bullshit, but we're not skilled enough to market that properly. So to make it easier for me and to make it easier for you, find a product that solves an issue. And with that being said, you don't need the internet to do that. You can actually go out in the real world and listen to people. When you switch your mental model to business, you can understand that whenever someone complains about something, which is all the time because humans complain about everything, you realize that when someone complains about something, there's a gap. That means that they have an issue and you can solve that. And that is when you then go and look for an evergreen product to go online and see for a product that can solve that issue. It could be as simply as you go and you're eating dinner and your mom, your dad, your sisters, your brother say something that they have an issue with. And then right away it clicks that you can solve that issue with a product. Or you could look at issues that you have already solved. You could look around you, be more mindful and realize, look, I needed to record a video, which means I needed a microphone to talk to you guys. Oh, wait, maybe I can sell microphones because I bought a microphone. this was an issue and this product solved it. If you build your mental construct like that, you don't need to start scrolling on garbage products on TikTok made me find it and look at products that are trendy that, yes, maybe they might have been lucky and made $10,000, $20,000 in a month, but then die right after. We don't want that. We want financial freedom. We want knowledge, not the money, because the money can easily leave you and the money can be easily attained. It's the knowledge, because when you lose money, if you have the knowledge, you can get it back. So then basically what it is that when you find an evergreen product, you check online. Now what you do is you can check on Facebook ad library, as you can see here. I already did an example. Let me restart to make sure. And let's say you want to do the, back scratcher. You found out that people have backs itches and you want to do my bad. This is unprofessional. Very unprofessional, Julian. So you have a back scratcher, right? You have 410. You're going to want to filter by active ads. So only look at the ads that are running. And you only have 140 ads. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to do this, what I just did right now, and keep 140 in your head or write it down somewhere. And in a few days, come back and see if this number increased. If it increased, that means they're scaling. That means they're making money. That means it's good. That's a green flag. Now, if it decreased, that's a red flag. That means they're downscaling. That means they're losing money. It's simple as that. So now you have to do your website. Now, I've made a video on this already before, but let's simply go back. So you have to make a simple and easy, no friction website. The second there's a friction, that means that there's a high possibility your customer will leave. Why is Amazon the best website on the planet Earth? Is because it's so simple, it's easy, and you can purchase something in literally 3 clicks. Now, also, I want to make sure that the website has branded colors and branded images. Those are super, super important. You can do this by Canva. They have a kit where they have colors that match a style of the brand. So maybe you want to do luxury. Maybe you want to do eco-friendly. Maybe you want to do funny, happy, sad, sporty. It doesn't matter. You can search up the type of brand that you want to create, and it'll give you a bunch of set of colors that match with each other. And make sure, again, your images look professionally, high quality. You can find them through your supplier, or you can order the product yourself and take some nice pictures. We all have iPhones. We don't need to be professionally skilled at taking pictures. All you got to do is put on portrait mode to make it look nice and blah, blah, blah. And what you want to do for your website is look for 3 to 4 competitors, save their website. And now, again, this is what my mentor said, is that you have the 3 to 4 competitors. Now you take a bit from each competitor. You take a bit from here, take a bit from there. I like his call to action. I like his text formatting. I like his product images, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You combine them to your own website. So it's your own unique website, and you modeled now with your 3-4 competitors that are doing very well. You model them to your own unique website. If you want to add your own twist, give it a shot. Why not? Now it becomes to the ads. Now don't recreate the wheel. I've had this issue before where I thought I was a genius and I thought this would do well, this would. No. Recreate the wheel, which means is that you have to check your ads from your competitors that are doing well. And you, again, like I've already mentioned, I already showed you how you know if they're doing well. And now what you want to do is take a bunch, as many as you can, and dissect them. So dissect them in the hook, dissect them in the call to action, dissect them in the value proposition, dissect them and see why it won, why it's making them money. And then when you implement those now into your own, you basically recreated the wheel with your own content. I do want to mention the best, I've done this before, is you try to take clips on the internet, try to make your own ad. No, it doesn't work. Order your own product. I promise you, even if it's from your own supplier or from Amazon, order your own product. It's a good investment. And I promise you, it gives you the flexibility to do as much as you want with your ads. It is a huge, huge game changer. So make sure to order the product. You could record them on yourself. But like I said, don't recreate the wheel. Remodel the structure of the ad. Oh, well, this slide is a mistake. Let's ignore that. So now you get to your ads. As a tip, I say do paid ads if you could. Now, look, and the reason why I say that, the reason why I say do Facebook is because Facebook is the GOAT. Facebook was one of the first ones to ever have the ad platforms. Their AI is super, super advanced. They can help you make money more than any other ad platform. Now, I know you might be scared to lose money, but don't look at it like that. At the end of the day, it's a business. There's always risk involved. But would you rather be risking your money to try to make success or risk your life to stay stuck in the 9-to-5 loser fucking life? You get the point, right? So basically, you have to look at it as paying data for you to learn, which basically means is every time you have this ideology in your head, you have your theory, your idea that this is going to work. You do it, you construct your ideology, you pay for it, and you receive the data. And now you're going to receive data in CVRs. You're going to receive your data in ROAS, your click-through rates, your RPMs, a bunch of it. And you're going to realize that, wait, it didn't work maybe. Now, if it didn't work, like I said, you're paying data for you to learn. You paid money and now you learned why it didn't work because you can look at the data and see it didn't work because of this. This was low, why? And you could, again, dissect the reason. We've already gone through this on this channel where the key to success is basically a cycle where you perform, which is you do, you analyze, and reconstruct. And it's a simple cycle of you, again, post ads, you analyze and fix. Post ads, analyze, fix, and you keep doing that cycle until eventually one's gonna hit. So like I said, you can start with TikTok organic. I know it's the trend now. Everyone's saying TikTok organic. If you don't have the funds, by all means, do TikTok organic. I'm just not a fan because eventually you're going to have to do paid ads. Might as well speed up the process. Might as well already start learning on how paid ads work. You're going to see instant reaction from the market. You're going to see how your idea reacted with, you're going to see how your idea was implemented in the market. Did the market like it? Did the market didn't? It's quicker rather than organic. It might take a few weeks longer and it's not as efficient as paid Facebook ads. But like I said, do it if you have to. But realize also, there's a reason why people are all promoting TikTok. It's not because they really think TikTok is the new wave. Fuck no. It's because they eventually have all these promo codes at the end where you can sign up for your TikTok ad account with their link and they get a percentage. Bullshit. Yeah, that's why. They all want your money. Basically, the code is don't do what people tell you to do. Do what they are doing. And if you can point these fingers at me, this is everything that I'm doing. I literally put everything that I'm doing right now and just put it in the PowerPoint. I'm doing everything that's stated in this PowerPoint. So I'm not here selling you some promo code. No, I'm telling you right now, people always push TikTok because they usually have a promo code. I believe Facebook is best because guess what? All the top dogs are doing Facebook. Some of them might be doing a little TikTok side hustle here and there. They make a few $1,000s, but their main business, I promise you, my mentor even knows, they're all doing Facebook. So now when you start posting your ads, you're going to eventually get to the scaling phase. So what you're going to have to do is put it in a broad targeting CBO. And the reason why people say broad targeting is because Facebook, like I said, has been here for years. Their AI is so developed that it's only the creative that's important. The ad settings that you put, targeting this, it doesn't matter, okay? If you give Facebook a video, they know which the best customer is. I promise you that. So don't put anything crazy. Put broad targeting, CBO, which is a campaign budget optimization. And when you calculate your ROAS, which is return on ad spend, so for every $10, let's say, you get $25 in sale in return. When that, at least you hit that minimum, then you can scale. And what do you mean by scaling is you increase the budget maybe by 25%. Or max, you double your budget. But I want to add a disclaimer before. You also have to remember that you can't scale too quick. Not only will your ads probably crash, but you might not be able to keep up because you do have to remember when you start making sales, you're going to have payment processing issues. Shopify payments, PayPal, they might hold some of your funds because you're just new to this space. Or not even that, it takes at least 3 to 5 business days to transfer into your business account, which is over a week. So while you have to send all your products and fulfill your orders, it's coming out of your pocket first. So if you don't have that money to fulfill $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in sales, you're fucked, basically. So make sure to not scale quickly. Make sure to do it safely, responsibly, smart. Look at the data and see, can I scale this 25%? Can I scale it maybe a bit more? I don't know. I want to take the risk. So let me just stick to the 25%, 50% range is usually where I'd like to hit. And that's about it. So I hope that this video had found value in your head, because everyone perceives information differently. For someone, it may be super valuable. For the other person, it doesn't. That's not my point. My point is that, look, all this information that I've given you today are from paid mentorship. They're not on YouTube. No one is talking about this shit, and it pisses me off. Everyone's gatekeeping, and no one truly wants to see people succeed. And I know that God is watching me, and I can do my best to tell you the truth, to tell you what I do in my journey to help with my success and yours. And now, it's really up to you to take this information, to take this value and implement it yourself. I'm not there controlling your hands to stop making you jerk off, or to stop making you slack and post the ads and create a business. No, I'm not there to control your hands. You got to do it yourself. So for me, like I said, I gave you the information. The saying of, you can bring a horse to a lake, but you can't force him to drink. I brought you to the lake. Here's the information. Here's the true value. Here is what people with over millions of dollars generated have told me. Now it's really up to you to implement it. Now, with that being said, I really wish you all the best and success. I hope this video helped you and impacted you, touched your heart, and that is when I'll see you at the top.